All right, so next we're going to look at mutually exclusive events and also independent events. Now, two random events, A and B, are mutually exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. So two random events, A and B, are mutually exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. Guys, if A and B are mutually exclusive events, the probability of A or B occurring is obtained by adding their individual probability. Now notice I cannot say A and B because they can't occur together. They cannot occur at the same time. So the probability of A occurring or B occurring is obtained by adding their individual probability. So the probability of A or B, which is the same as saying the probability of A union B, is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. Let's have a look at example 2. Now, example 2A says, a fair die is thrown once. So the die is thrown only one time. What is the probability of getting of the score being a 3 or an even number? Well, for starters, if you throw the die once, you can't get a 3 and an even number at the same time. For starters, it's only one die, so you're only gonna get one number. So you can either get a 3 or an even number, but you can't get both of them at the same time. So throwing the die once and getting a 3 or an even number, and getting a 3 or getting an even number, those two events are mutually exclusive events. They cannot occur at the same time. So the probability of getting a 3 is actually 1 out of 6. The probability of getting an even number is actually 3 out of 6, or a half. Now, the probability of getting a 3 or an even number, these two events are mutually exclusive. So it's the probability of getting the 3 plus the probability of getting the even number, which is 1 out of 6 plus 3 out of 6, which is 4 out of 6, or 2/3, or 0.67, or 67%. So if you throw a fair die once, the probability of getting a 3 or an even number is 67%. Please do B and type your answer in the chat. All right, so example 2B says, a card is randomly selected from a pack. So one card is selected from the pack with 52 cards. What is the probability of selecting a king or a queen? So getting a king or a queen, they are mutually exclusive events, because you can't get a king and a queen at the same time from selecting only one card from a pack of cards. So getting a king or a queen are mutually exclusive events. So the probability of getting a king is 4 out of 52, because there are 4 kings in the pack of 52 cards. And the probability of getting a queen is also 4 out of 52. So the probability of getting a king or a queen is the probability of getting the king plus the probability of getting the queen, because these two events are mutually exclusive. So this is 4 out of 52 plus 4 out of 52, which is 8 out of 52, or 2 over 13, or sometimes I like to write my answer as a decimal. So this is 0.15. Or 15%. So there's a 15% chance that if you select a single card from a pack of cards, there's a 15% chance that that one card would either be a king or a queen. And this is mutually exclusive events.